guys, so behind me is a brand new Tesla Model 3, another one. And it's a beautiful day out today. Today we're going to protect this car with paint protection film on the front there. And then we're going to coat the entire body with Ceramic Pro. So stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back into the shop. Behind me is the Model 3 Tesla, it's brand new. It's got maybe 200 miles on it. The guys right now are polishing it out, getting it ready for the SunTech paint protection film, and we're going to give it a full front wrap, so a full hood. We're going to do the fenders on it, full fenders, headlights, and then the front bumper will get protected as well with paint protection film, along with a luggage area kit in the back that kind of goes on the top of the back bumper. Once that's all completed, then we're going to apply some more paint protection in the form of a ceramic coating. This is called Ceramic Pro. Now, Ceramic Pro is a little different than the other coatings out on the market. They have specific coatings for specific areas of the vehicle. So I'm going to spin the camera around and let you check this out. So this is the Ceramic Pro system, and this is everything that's going to go on this Tesla here. So on the top here we have the 9H Ceramic Pro. This is the flagship product from Ceramic Pro. This is the first layer that we're going to put down on the paint once it's all polished out and all the paint protection film's on. So what we do is we apply a layer for the silver package that we're going to do on this one. We're going to apply a layer of the 9H, and then we'll let this cure for 8 hours, and then we'll come back and put a layer of Ceramic Pro Light on top of that, and then we'll apply this special coating for the paint protection film. PPF is an acronym, I can't even say the word today. The acronym for paint protection film. So we apply this base coat to the paint protection film, and then we come back and put the top coat on 4 hours later. And during that time, we'll apply the wheel and caliper protection for the wheels and the brake calipers. And any black plastics on the exterior of the vehicle will get coated with the Ceramic Pro plastic coating. And then lastly, we'll apply a couple of layers of rain on all the glass on the outside. It's not one product for everything. They've got several products developed for all the specific areas of the vehicle. So we're going to get started here, and I'll let you watch a little bit of us applying the film and applying the Ceramic Pro. Alright, so now it's 9H time. We're going to start with the base coat of the Ceramic Pro process, which is the 9H. So let's get started. I'll show you how we're going to do this. Rub it onto the paint. When you see it, it doesn't, when you're working with it, you don't really see, like a white haze or anything like a traditional wax or synthetic paint sealant would leave behind. This goes on clear, so we'll add a little bit more to our applicator sponge here. We'll knock out this whole door. Alright, so we've protected the front of this new Tesla with paint protection film. We've coated the front of it. We've coated the entire body of the Tesla with Ceramic Pro 9H and Ceramic Pro Light, the wheels. So you would think this car is really well protected and not much else we can do for it. Well, I have one more thing that we're gonna do to this Tesla to help protect it from the road. And this is a product called Scrape Armor. And this is a piece that protects the bottom of the bumper. So right now the Tesla is kind of up on a lift. It's a little up in the air, but we get these cars in the lower cars, and when you go in a driveway, you kind of grind, or if you go over, park too close to a parking block, it grinds the front lower lip of your bumper. The Scrape Armor helps prevent that. So let's open the box so you can see what's inside. This is the Scrape Armor box inside. They've got it packaged really nice, kind of like almost like a gift. This right here is the hardware bag. And underneath this is the actual Scrape Armor here. It doesn't look like much, but it really does help. This particular one here is in 4 pieces, so you have the two pieces that go on the center of the car, and then you have these little side winglets that go on the side of the bumper. So let's get this mounted up. We'll show you how it looks. Okay, so you see the little Scrape Armor logo right there. There's the 4 pieces. So there's, let me get down here on the floor with you. All right, so we've got the 4 pieces on. This is a side piece that kind of comes up on the front of the lower part of the bumper, and then you have this piece here. This lower part is two pieces, and you can see the seam right there in the center, right over there, and then there's one more piece just like this on the other side. So you have to drill into your bumper. Scrape Armor gives you a tool so you can countersink these little holes, or drill these little holes. What we typically do is put some real thin double-sided tape on these first, and then stick them on, and then drill the holes, and it's already stuck up there with a double-sided tape, and then we install the screws that is supplied with Scrape Armor. Okay everybody, it's delivery day for the white Tesla.
Oh, wow.
We got everything done with it. What's the matter? Oh, fog?
Yeah.
It's going to happen as soon as you pull the car up.
Wow.
It's today is delivery day for the white Tesla, and it's not a very great day. We're going to have some severe thunderstorms today. They say it's really muggy outside. Inside the shop, it's real nice, about 73 degrees, no humidity, and as soon as we open this door, this car started fogging up with the humidity. And you can see Anthony's pulling it out. I'll take you around to the front so you can check it out outside. How's it drive, Anthony? Pretty smooth?
Like glass. Raining.
Okay, so we've got the Scrape Armor on the bottom down there. See the Scrape Armor down there? We applied SunTech Ultra paint protection film to the entire front bumper there. The headlights were done. Full fenders were done. Full hood was done. Mirrors are completely wrapped here. And then we coated the whole thing with Ceramic Pro. It's got a layer of 9H. It's got a layer of Ceramic Pro Light. That's on all the painted surfaces. The film surfaces up front here received Ceramic Pro PPF and vinyl, which is 2 layers, base coat and then the top coat. Wheels and calipers were also coated with Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper. All the glass has 2 layers of Ceramic Pro on the glass. The rain, which is a hydrophobic ceramic layer that we put on the glass. This thing looks absolutely beautiful. It's probably getting a little washed out here in the sunshine this morning.